Hi there, welcome to my channel. I'm Painting Han. Today I want to show you how to draw a rose with pencils. We are going to try in detail today. So look at this, it's so beautiful, right? So prepare your HB, 2B, 4B pencil, eraser and papers. Okay, and then we will do this rose with watercolor in the next class. Okay, already I drew this rose with, I used HB, 2B and 4B pencils and eraser. Okay, and then first we need to identify the point where the flower and the stem meets. Look at this flower and this stem. So this stem come out from the center of the flower area, right? And then the most important thing is to draw the stem coming from this point. So depending on which way your flower is facing, okay? So for example, this flower, this one is a flower facing some flower spacing look like this. So now this flower facing is go upside, so just to this stem go down, right? This petal meet the stem in the center, right? And then this one is a little bit of tilt to this facing, so don't just straight, okay? And then these flower case little bit of curve out and then go down diagonally, right? Like this. This facing is a little bit of go down, and this facing is look up, right? Okay, I hope you understand this. Okay, so first I'm going to start with HB pencil. Okay, so now we are so take out this. Okay, now for the flower, start with an oval and oval shape. I'm going to try the center of the paper, a little bit of oval shape, and then mark the base with this HB pencil, and then draw another small oval on the top opening. Look at that. Here, this area. Yeah. And next, sketch kind of cupped shape. This. Look at that. This. We cannot see the inside, but anyway, they start here, go out like that. So draw some cup shape in the inside, okay? And begin to draw in the individual petals, right? And so here, start here, and then we need to draw this petal. Where is this? Okay. Here is the center area. Rose is actually challenging, so draw so difficult, but just we try and then don't get any stress. It doesn't have to be perfect, right? Just to try it. And yeah, if we practice many times, we can get better thing step by step. Okay, this is the center of the rose point. So there are so many petals. You cannot see exactly, and then draw another small cup like this. And then you have to remember these petals start here, right? But we cannot see the inside petal lines, but just you draw, make exactly some curve line. Okay. Move on to shading. So use my HB pencil to lightly shading in the entire area. Oh, light is coming from this way, okay? Highlight area, I'm going to use eraser. You can use any kind of lines, straight line and curve, something different line, you can use it. Feel free to use any kind of lines. When you see shading or sketchy, hold the pencil, yeah, kind of like this, or use like that, depending on purpose. Now I'm shading, not a detailed area, so I'd better use the hold the pencil like this and then use the side of the pencil like that. Okay, I need to HB pencil. I wanna mark the darkest area with 4B pencil and hold like this. Okay, I want to draw the stem. These flowers, center petals, center come out, small curve. This is this one. I don't know how to call. And then this stem. For the highlight area, use your eraser to dab the highlight point. Just dab. And erase outline area. Edge line. We don't need to edge lines. Just fade out, look like erase, highlight edge line. And finally, I wanna draw some abstract line on the outside. So just use Okay, I have done this drawing. Did you have fun? This was challenging. So I'm so proud of all of you. Pencil drawing is a fundamental skill in art. So mastering this is important. So the more you practice, the better you will become. Okay? Okay, next in the class we will try in watercolor these rose. Okay, thank you for watching this video. See you next time. Bye.